In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Aura. Aura is a powerful digital security and identity protection app. It helps you safeguard against identity theft, scams, malware, and other online threats. Now let's get started with downloading this essential app. First, open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, locate the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Simply tap it to open. For iPhone or iPad users, look for the App Store icon, which is usually found on your home screen. Tapping on it will bring you to the App Store interface. This step is crucial because both app stores are the gateways to downloading Aura. You need access to either the Google Play Store or the App Store to proceed. Once you are in the App Store, it's time to search for Aura. In the search bar at the top, type the word Aura. Be sure to look for the official app created by Aura Sub LLC. This is important because it ensures you are downloading the legitimate app that provides the security features you need. Identifying the correct app is key to protecting your personal information and making sure you receive updates and support directly from the developers. After you've found the app in the search results, the next step is to install it. If you are on an Android device, simply tap the Install button. For iPhone or iPad users, you will tap the Get button. This action initiates the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. It is reassuring to know that once the app is installed, you are one step closer to enhancing your digital security. Now that the installation is complete, it's time to open the app. You can either tap the Open button that appears on the screen after installation, or you can locate the Aura icon on your home screen and tap to launch it. Opening the app is your gateway to accessing all the features Aura has to offer. This is a key moment because it transitions you from the App Store to the app itself, where you can begin your journey towards enhanced online safety. Once the app is open, you will need to sign in or create an account. If you already have an existing Aura account, simply enter your login credentials to sign in. However, if you are new to Aura, look for the option to create account or start a free trial. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. This step is vital because creating an account allows you to access personalized features and security tools. You will feel confident knowing your identity and data are protected once you are signed in or registered. By following these straightforward steps, you will successfully download and set up the Aura app. Remember, taking these measures is essential for keeping your information safe in a digital world. With Aura, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you are protected against online threats. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.